What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan Shoeman. I'm back with another video today. I'm so happy to be back here in the office making videos for y'all. I sit here all the time, and I've got this stack of, I think I said 14 shoes sitting back here, and I just haven't made videos. I just haven't been here making videos, but I'm glad to be back. And I'm glad to be back here to give you another word from our sponsor, Atticus. Who's our sponsor?
Jesus.
Jesus, thank you. This is 1 John 4:19. We love him because he first loved us. And I think that's kind of the whole sum of the New Testament of the Bible. The kind of the sum of the Old Testament of the Bible is from Deuteronomy 6:5. It says, "You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your strength." Atticus, can you love God with all your heart, all your strength, and all your soul? Can you actually do that?
Maybe?
I don't think so.
No.
I've never met anybody that could do that.
That's a lie.
Because there's nobody who can do it.
I'm not
And I think
perfect.
that's why the Old Testament is still there in the Bible, because it's there to show us it doesn't matter what happens. It doesn't matter if God parts the Red Sea. It doesn't matter what other big miracle happened. If the walls of Jericho came tumbling down, we still sin. Like right afterwards, we forget all the awesomeness that God did almost immediately, like as soon as it happens, and we just go right back to sinning and turning our backs on God half the time. We just can't do it. But the sum of the New Testament is God showing his love for us. How did he show his love for us?
Dying on the cross?
Jesus. He sent Jesus to die on the cross. He sent himself. He came here down to earth himself to die on the cross and give his life so that we can spend eternity with him. And that's how he demonstrated. This is how you do it, guys. I know you're not going to be able to, and that's fine. And that's why I'm going to show you how to do it and do it for you. So thank you, Jesus, for showing us that love. All right. If you know what this dirty FedEx box is in this somewhat small cardboard box, if you know, then you know. And you know, I don't really care. So I'm actually not sure how I feel about these. I saw them. I was ordering something else. I was like, you know what? Send me those two. Let's just see how good they are. We're going to rate these as far as their construction and how close they are. Let's give this a little look-see. I don't know when you're going to see this video. I recorded 2 other videos that you're going to see way before, so you may not see these for several months. See this video for several months, but I doubt that these shoes will actually be released then. And there's stuff falling out. It's just cardboard. All right, these are the women's. Let's hope this is right. It's the right size. Women's Air Jordan 1 Low OGSP, and the colorway here is white and dark brown.
Sounds kind of weird.
This is an OGSP, not TS. I think some of them say TS on them. I got boxes here somewhere I can check, but there's so many boxes. I don't know. Do you know what this looks like? What this tells us?
It was from the backward swoosh.
Yes, which is what?
Forgot the name.
Travis Scott.
Yeah, Travis Scott.
This is a Travis Scott collab, and again, this is not supposed to come out for a long time. So I don't necessarily have really high hopes for these, but it's a Jordan 1 Low OG. Like, how can you get this wrong? Because this place where I've gotten plenty of these from, they can get the low OGs down pretty well. What do you think?
Those look good.
They look good.
I like the fur.
This is nice. I guess that's suede. It looks more like suede over here. Man, but it's all live, which is good. You don't always see that in these. These have been sitting here in this box for a while, so they don't smell bad, which is also good for us. We got nice Travis Scott, nice sicko mode, Nike Air. You see the sicko mode up in the top, the head, the face.
Yeah.
On the back of this right shoe, we get the Wings logo. Generally, and this is in the ones you get from Nike, the Wings logo is kind of messy. It's not very sharp. So that kind of shows us that it is the same. I mean, this looks pretty good. Like really good, actually. Let's see what this other pair looks like. I definitely like the pink laces for these. It's all looking good. This is a really clean pair. Also, just smells like leather, not even that strong of leather. This is one of the better pairs. The white leather and the back is very stiff. I don't know if that's how these are actually going to be or not, but the white and the back is very stiff. We get pink Sicko mode on this one. Again, big pink swoosh. I really like the leather that this pink swoosh is made out of. You get the close up there. These are actually pretty nice. Now, seeing them in person, so this is a women's, and I don't have a problem wearing women's shoes, or a shoe that is said that it's made for women's or it's sized primarily for women, because I think the men's size is still on here. I mean, on a men's size, the women's size is on the box, so I don't really have a problem with that. Obviously, I'm not going to wear like high heels or anything like that in a women's shoe. And when it comes to tennis shoes, sneakers, I'm going to go based on how they look. And I know I have some women's shoes that I wear. Maybe I don't. Any of those women's? All right. Oh, yeah. The Alma Manier Jordan 3, that's a women's. And those are one of my nicest pairs in my whole collection. And but I haven't worn them, so maybe I don't wear women's shoes, but I would. I will wear those one day, probably. Actually, I think the Alma Manier 4s are women's also. Let's see. The women's size is on the bottom. I'm not sure. But when it comes to these, what do you think? You said you like them.
Yeah.
Is this too girly of a color, though?
No.
You would wear these?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I would too. It's kind of borderline, and maybe putting the pink laces in it would be too much. Plus, I have other shoes I want to wear pink laces in, and I don't have any more pink laces, so maybe I shouldn't put the pink. What do you think? Is pink too much? If I put the pink laces in here, is it too much?
I wouldn't think so, but I would say it would be like really, really pink.
That would be a lot of pink.
Yeah.
All right. We'll see. I'm not sure. But it's got I guess those are white laces.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess those are white laces. And it's got brown laces as well. I don't think I want the brown laces because it's got enough brown too. I don't know. But I do think I like these. And it wasn't too long ago that you saw the video of my canaries. The baby size up there, Trents, are retail from Nike. The others, though, are not this good a quality. They're not quite. And these were shipped to me on the same day as that. And I made that video like 4 months ago. So now you know how long these have been sitting here. So I don't know. I do like these. I think they're going to be hyped when they come out. Might even be as nearly hyped as like Mochas. So having these this far ahead of time, I think they're not even coming out until 2025. And and again, I don't know when you're going to see this video, but it is, what month again? August 2024?
Yeah. So
I like these, and this is a A1 pair too. See how it moves? Can you see it really good from that side? I can see it awesome from this
Yeah.
side. So now we'll just go. Good. We're good. All right. Tell your grandma about the Jordan 1 Low OG Travis Scott. I can't even remember the name of this colorway now. Something like horse or pony. I don't know. But this one with the pink that comes out in 2025. And again, I don't mind wearing these kind of shoes, especially when it comes to a shoe like this, that if you don't hit it on sneakers, and you're probably not going to hit it on the Travis Scott raffle, you're going to end up paying 2, 3, 4 or more times more than what you should be paying for it for retail. So this was actually under retail. So thanks a lot. Good looking out. Tell your grandma, smash that like button. Comment down below what you think about these, and I'll see y'all next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose.
Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.